All right, I thought I would do a quick wrap up slash walk around video just to kind of show where we ended up on this thing. We are about to sell it and start on our next project. So I figured it would be a good time in order to get that taken care of and kind of give a little bit of closure. So if you've been following along at all, you've known that this thing was pretty much ripped down to the frame and we repaired a lot of water damage. So that is occurred, and it was a lot of work. Essentially had to rebuild the entire slide, and you can see here all new wiper seals, top, bottom, sides, all that good stuff. Got all that sealed up nicely. Pretty much have come back, removed everything, replaced everything. I say everything, not everything, but a lot of the extraneous stuff, you know, hookups and connections and, you know, water fill, you name it. All new lights all around as well. I did get new tires that are going to be going to the buyers. They have not been put on yet, so they're going to need to do that on their own. Kind of get a little bit of a view on this side. The one thing I have not done, and I'm not going to do, the new buyers can take care of that themselves, is the awning fabric. I just ran out of time, and we need to make space for the new RV that we bought. So I have not replaced the awning fabric. They can take care of that though, and that's pretty much going to be the only thing they have left to do. Let's take a look inside real quick. Again, we put new flooring in after completely rebuilding 95% of the subflooring and replacing all that. New paint on everything as well. Flooring went in real easy. I've got this opened up because I ended up cleaning it earlier. But we refinished the refrigerator. All we did was paint that, but we pulled the inserts out, repainted that. All new lights throughout, LED lighting. Bathroom, you can see here the flooring that we went with. Our inserts there are new, toilet's old, hardware and stuff like that. Ended up going with kind of a beadboard look on this back wall. And again, the rest of this is just painted and kind of left plain Jane. New skylights and all of that good stuff as well in here. We did end up having to, I don't know if we had to or not, but I ended up building these tabletops and countertops. I think they turned out okay. Not my favorite necessarily. I like them all right, but you know, I'd have probably maybe spent a little more time on the finish. However, they're holding up really well, and they look good, so I'm not going to complain about it too much. Kind of a peel and stick subway tile on the back of the little cooking area here, and that's kind of where that's at. New hardware on all the drawers and storage and stuff like that. And we removed the glass out of all of the cabinet coverings and storage coverings that had glass in there, and replaced it with like this metal, it's almost like a furnace screen. I'm not sure, I can't exactly remember what it was called. We bought it at Home Depot, but we just bought it, cut it to size, and then installed those on those two above the couch, and then in here in the bedroom as well, just to give that a little bit of a unique look. And again, wallpaper on the back, new mattress, new tops for these little countertops, and I put new carpet in. You know, the little side table here for a TV or whatnot has been replaced as well. Let's see, what else do we have? Yeah, so that's about it. We did not recover the dinette, the seats. We ran out of time, again, needing to get rid of this thing, so they have not been recovered. You know, they've shown some use over the years, but I think they'll work fine, and the new owner can pick whatever they prefer and put that on there. But I think overall, we're real happy with the way the project turned out. Oh, I was going to mention too, we installed this new couch. It is not a folding couch. It's just one that we found on Wayfair that pretty much fits perfectly in the slide out. I come in from underneath the slide and actually bolted it in so it's secured and good to go. But I think it worked out okay. I think it works with the theme in terms of color and all that good stuff. If If you're concerned with that, I think it works okay. But that was one more thing that I forgot to mention. Outside of that, that's pretty much it, guys. It's been a long project. I would say difficult. The difficulty really laid with the amount of work that needed to be done, and I kind of kept uncovering more and more stuff along the way. So that's kind of where the burden came in. The stuff wasn't extremely technical. And again, I'm not going to climb up there, but we did replace the entire roof, new roof decking, or a couple of sheets of new roof decking up there. And then a lot of the features were replaced as well in terms of vent covers, refrigerator vent cover, skylight, things like that. The AC is original, and we didn't modify that at all, just cleaned it up. But new rubber roofing and all of that good stuff. So that should be buttoned up tight for the new owners, and we'll be kind of glad to get this thing out of here and get started on the next one. I need the room. So thanks for following along, and we'll catch you on the next project.